Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some of the most shocking, weird facts that sound completely fake, but are 100% real. From strange science to bizarre natural wonders, these facts will leave you stunned. Stick around till the very end because the last one will blow your mind. Let's get started. Bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't. When most people think of berries, strawberries usually top the list. But scientifically speaking, strawberries don't even qualify as berries. In botany, a berry is defined as a fruit that develops from a single ovary and has seeds embedded inside its flesh. Bananas meet all of these requirements, which makes them true berries, even though their seeds are tiny and almost invisible. Strawberries, on the other hand, are classified as aggregate accessory fruits because their seeds grow on the outside rather than the inside. That's why they don't meet the botanical criteria. It's one of those strange twists in nature that makes grocery store categories completely misleading. So, the next time you're making a smoothie or fruit salad, remember that you're actually putting bananas in the berry family and leaving strawberries out. It's a fact that flips what most of us thought we knew about fruit. Octopuses have 3 hearts. Octopuses are already some of the most fascinating creatures on the planet, but here's a detail that will truly shock you. They have 3 hearts. 2 of these hearts pump blood through the gills, while the third one circulates oxygen-rich blood through the rest of the body. What's even weirder is that when an octopus swims, its main heart temporarily stops beating. This is why octopuses prefer crawling along the ocean floor instead of swimming. They save energy by not overworking their cardiovascular system. Their blood is also different from ours. Instead of being iron-based like human blood, which is red, octopus blood contains copper, giving it a blue tint. This unique system allows them to survive in deep-sea environments with low oxygen. Nature designed them in such an incredible way that they seem more like creatures from a sci-fi movie than real life. 3 hearts, blue blood. Talk about amazing biology. Wombats produce cube-shaped poop. This one sounds like a joke, but it's real science. Wombats actually produce cube-shaped poop. These cute marsupials from Australia have an incredibly unique digestive system that shapes their droppings into little cubes. Scientists discovered that the elasticity of the wombat's intestines squeezes the waste unevenly, forming 6 flat sides instead of rounded ones. But why cubes? The answer lies in behavior. Wombats use their poop to mark their territory and communicate with other wombats. Cube-shaped droppings don't roll away, which means they stay in place on rocks and logs, making them perfect markers. In fact, a single wombat can drop up to 80 to 100 cubes of poop in one night. It's one of the strangest adaptations in the animal kingdom, and researchers have even studied wombats to inspire new industrial processes for shaping materials. So, yes, cube poop isn't just funny, it's evolution at work. Sharks existed before trees. Sharks are ancient, but did you know they're older than trees? That's right. Sharks have been swimming in Earth's oceans for more than 400 million years, while the very first trees appeared around 350 million years ago. That means sharks had already ruled the seas for at least 50 million years before trees even existed on land. To put it into perspective, sharks survived multiple mass extinctions, including the one that wiped out the dinosaurs. Their design has been so successful that they've barely changed for hundreds of millions of years. Meanwhile, forests and plant life were still figuring out how to cover the planet. So next time someone says sharks are scary, remind them that these predators are living fossils, survivors of nearly everything nature has thrown at them. Compared to sharks, trees are actually newcomers in Earth's history. It's a humbling fact about the timeline of life. Sloths can hold their breath longer than dolphins. Most people know sloths as slow-moving tree dwellers, but they're hiding a surprising superpower. Sloths can actually hold their breath longer than dolphins. While dolphins typically manage around 10 minutes underwater, sloths can slow their heart rates and hold their breath for up to 40 minutes. This ability comes from a special adaptation where sloths can dramatically reduce their metabolic rate, lowering the need for oxygen. In the wild, this gives them an advantage against predators like eagles and jaguars, since they can stay still and undetected for long periods, even when submerged. Dolphins are celebrated as ocean champions, yet sloths quietly beat them in this category. It's one of those shocking comparisons that proves appearances can be deceiving. There are more stars than grains of sand on Earth. Looking up at the night sky, you might already feel overwhelmed by the countless stars. But here's a fact that will stretch your imagination. There are more stars in the observable universe than there are grains of sand on all the beaches of Earth. Astronomers estimate that our universe contains around 200 billion trillion stars. To put that in perspective, if you scooped up all the sand on every beach and desert in the world, it still wouldn't compare. What's even more incredible is that many of these stars have planets orbiting them, which means the possibility of life beyond Earth becomes less of a question of if and more of a question of where. This comparison helps us realize how unimaginably vast the universe truly is. It's a mind-blowing fact that makes Earth seem both special and incredibly tiny in the grand scheme of things. Honey never spoils. Honey is the only food that can literally last forever. Archaeologists have discovered pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. The secret lies in honey's unique chemistry. It has a very low water content and high acidity, which creates an environment where bacteria and microorganisms simply can't survive. Honey also contains natural hydrogen peroxide, which adds another protective layer. This means as long as honey is sealed properly, it won't spoil or grow mold. People have used honey for centuries, not only as a sweetener, but also as a medicine for wounds and infections. It's a natural food that doesn't require preservatives because it already comes with its own. So the next time you drizzle honey over your tea or toast, remember, you're enjoying a food with a practically eternal shelf life. Sweet and immortal, honey is truly special. And there you have it. 8 shocking, weird facts that sound fake but are 100% real. From cube-shaped poop to planets where days outlast years, our world and universe never stop surprising us. Which fact blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more amazing content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the unbelievable truths around us.